Evictions did not get better after the worst part of the pandemic. Now, with people back to work, eviction numbers have actually increased. Denver saw the second highest month on record in January. Our Angeline McCall looks at why.
In a city where people can't afford to live, more people are leaving their homes, not by choice, but because of eviction.
We saw the second highest number of evictions on record in January.
Alina Rodriguez says the trends this year worry her and her team at the Community Economic Defense Project.
People just cannot keep up, and I think that is why we're in this crisis right now.
2023 surpassed records with the highest number of evictions in 1 year. 12,910 people were evicted in 2023. Over 1,500 evictions already in the first month of the new year.
Which, if you pace that out, looks like probably around 18,000 evictions in 2024.
Meaning 2024 could surpass the past year, potentially having the highest number of evictions ever.
What we've seen is things are sort of as bad, if not worse, than we anticipated. Coming into the end of last year, the cold season, the holidays, numbers were not slowing down.
Rodriguez says we need a different tool, other than having eviction, to solve the high housing costs, low wages, and cost of living.
I think it's just really hard to cut it, to make a family budget that includes rent, that includes healthcare, that includes your gas in your car, and all of that right now. While that is hard enough, it is extremely easy and fast to evict somebody in Colorado.
Rodriguez is hoping that this legislative session could potentially add more protections for renters, with some upcoming bills expected to be introduced, such as the for-cause eviction bill. It would change the requirements to evict someone because, according to Rodriguez, even if you are $1 behind on rent, you could be evicted.
A lot of the Democrats at the Capitol like that kind of thing. Democratic Governor Jared Polis does not like that kind of thing. He suggested that basically anything that you put on landlords ultimately will raise rents, whether that's rent control or anything else, and he suggested he might not be down with that.
Yeah, and you can see, right, that there's this idea of balance, right? If we do this, does this happen? But at the end of the day, what is happening is that more people are getting evicted, and rental assistance, even though it's available, it's becoming available later down the stages, meaning that even if someone's eligible to receive those funds, sometimes they can't get it in time to actually prevent that eviction from happening.
Yeah, as you rightly note, there's the hypotheticals, and then there's the situation on the ground. Angeline, thank you.